Doing the rear brakes on a Toyota Camry 2014. Have two 14mm bolts here. 14?
Mm-hmm.
Piston just pushes back normally. You can never get friggin' brake dust off your concrete.
That's like 4mm. Wow, that right there is like 2, 3. See these ones. Oh, that's pretty even. 3mm maybe? 3 maybe.
What are you looking for? Wear this way? This way?
Usually a brake pad will wear. See, this is the rear pad.
The inner one?
Yeah, the rear inner pad. And on the rears, they usually wear more on the back pad.
On the trailing edge?
On the bottom, yeah. But I always get in and look at that back brake pad on the bottom, because look at the difference. Like that is, well, that's like a 1.5 millimeter difference in wear. So that's why your wear bar is there, because that's where it wears most. But yeah, this cap right here is just to access the e-brake, because this is a drum.
Oh, those are shoes there.
Yeah, it has the e-brake shoes inside. And that way you can access the adjustment. And somewhere in here there's a tooth ring to adjust, to tighten or loosen the e-brake shoes, to get them to, so you can tighten them or loosen them or whatever, if they're dragging or if they're too loose and your e-brake's not catching. So just a warning on anybody that has a electronic e-brake. If you have an electronic e-brake, really look into and research what it takes to retract that e-brake, and what it takes to retract the piston, because people tend to like to twist the rear caliper pistons. But as for Mazda, if you twist the rear caliper piston on an electronic e-brake piston, you will more than likely damage the caliper. So make sure you look up the procedures and do it right.
Yeah, I've seen guys lit up the back of the pad with all kinds of grease, dude.
Why?
I think it's so stupid.
I don't understand it. Like, maybe there's something to it. Maybe it makes it better. But you know what I see? I see when I go to do a brake job that's been done like that, I see all this crap like protruding out from the back of the backing plate. I see crap here. Like, where does all that stuff go? Like, it gets all caked up. Why do you need all that? I don't get it. I don't know. When I'm doing a factory brake job, I do use the stuff they give me for the back of the backing plates.
Isn't it a glue?
No, it's not a glue. But see, this is like a. This is different. This stuff is different than the stuff that was on the front. It's like a white, sort of pasty, but it's not glue. It doesn't adhere the backing plate to the pad, but I think it does help it not like help vibration, because I mean the backing plates, that's what they're there for, to keep down noise, vibration, squealing and whatnot.
It feels like a spray adhesive, like a 3M spray adhesive. What it feels like.
Yeah, no, it's like a grease. It just.
Yeah, but it's sticky to you.
Yeah, it's not. But that, I don't know. The stuff that was in the front is a black stuff. It's almost like it's like a carbon graphite, like oil or grease base. I don't know, but it's not like super greasy, and it's not sticky at all. It dries up. But the color of it makes it looks like it's carbon, like a graphite color, whatever. I hate these.
Shabam! You gonna check your pins for play?
Let's see. They do get stuck, like in there. You see that? But once you move them, not bad. The dust boots are doing their job. They really don't get any debris or anything in there. And those ones are pretty tight. They get them moving around in there, but see this, and this is another reason why I don't pull them out. See that rubber stop in there? When they get older, if you pull that out, you may never get it back in. It'll swell when it's out, and then it catches edge when you try to put it back in, and you'll have to get the seal kit for the rear brakes or whatever brakes you're doing. And so if you don't have access to that seal kit, don't even take that out. And piston slide out. Caliper slides there. But it may be necessary if the caliper slide is stuck, it won't move in or out. Then more than likely that's the problem. That rubber piece has deteriorated inside and it's bound up the slide. And in that case, your caliper can't move freely, and it's going to cause problems with your brakes dragging or not doing what they need to do. See, that one I didn't have to hold. It just catches. Sometimes you get lucky.
The inner nut?
Yeah. If you're lucky, it'll catch. It'll catch and just bite when you're turning and you want.